Bring a touch of tropical elegance indoors with exotic dwarf tree-like houseplants that combine compact growth with bold ornamental beauty. These miniature indoor trees create a lush statement while fitting perfectly in apartments, balconies, and modern living spaces. From glossy foliage to sculptural trunks, they instantly elevate interior decor with a sophisticated natural charm. Now, let's quickly explore the exotic tree-like houseplants. Swiss cheese plant. Scientifically known as Monstera deliciosa, this iconic is admired for its dramatic split leaves and bold tropical appearance. This exotic indoor plant develops large glossy foliage with natural perforations that create a striking decorative effect in homes and offices. It thrives in bright indirect light and prefers slightly moist, well-drained soil for healthy growth. With its climbing nature and lush green texture, it brings a refreshing jungle-inspired atmosphere to living rooms, corners, and indoor patios. Its easy care habit and impressive foliage make it one of the most popular tree-like houseplants for modern interior decoration. Fiddle leaf fig or Ficus lyrata is a stunning indoor plant prized for its large violin-shaped leaves and upright tree-like growth. Its bold glossy foliage creates a luxurious statement that complements modern and contemporary interiors beautifully. This exotic houseplant thrives in bright filtered sunlight and grows best in well-drained soil with moderate watering. Its tall sculptural form makes it ideal for decorating living rooms, offices, hallways, and spacious indoor corners. Besides enhancing interior aesthetics, the fiddle leaf fig also adds a refreshing natural atmosphere, making indoor spaces feel vibrant, stylish, and inviting. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Known for its rich glossy foliage and strong upright structure, it adds a bold tropical character to indoor spaces. Its broad leathery leaves create an eye-catching display that suits both minimalist and luxurious interiors. This attractive plant adapts well to indoor conditions and performs best in bright indirect light with occasional watering. As it matures, it develops into a compact tree-like specimen that enhances corners, entryways, and office settings with a sophisticated natural touch. The rubber plant is also appreciated for its low-maintenance nature, making it an excellent choice for plant lovers seeking dramatic foliage without demanding care requirements. Ponytail palm or Bocania recurvata is admired for its swollen trunk and fountain-like cascading leaves. This exotic indoor plant stores water in its bulbous base, giving it excellent drought tolerance and making it easy to maintain indoors. Its unusual architectural form creates a striking decorative accent for living rooms, offices, balconies, and tabletops. The plant thrives in bright light and prefers well-drained soil with occasional watering. Its slow-growing nature and sculptural appearance make it perfect for modern interiors seeking a stylish desert-inspired touch while requiring very little regular maintenance or attention. Pachira aquatica, widely known as the money tree, is cherished for its braided trunk and lush hand-shaped green leaves. This elegant indoor plant is often associated with prosperity, positivity, and good fortune in interior decor. Its compact tree-like appearance makes it an excellent choice for homes, offices, and workspaces seeking a refreshing tropical vibe. The plant grows well in bright indirect light and prefers moderate watering with well-drained soil. With its graceful foliage and easy care nature, the money tree adds warmth, balance, and a sophisticated natural charm to both modern and traditional indoor settings. Umbrella tree, botanically known as Scaphlara arboricola, is a stylish tree-like indoor plant admired for its glossy umbrella-shaped leaf, clusters, and compact growth habit. Its upright branching stems create a miniature indoor tree appearance that suits living rooms, offices, and balconies beautifully. This tropical evergreen thrives in bright indirect light and adapts well to indoor conditions with minimal care. The plant prefers moderate watering and well-drained soil to maintain healthy foliage. Its lush green canopy adds a fresh decorative touch while improving the overall indoor atmosphere. Regular pruning helps maintain a dense, elegant, and ornamental tree-like form indoors. Corn plant, scientifically known as Dracena fragrans, is a popular exotic tree-like indoor plant admired for its tall woody stems and arching green foliage that resembles miniature tropical trees. Native to tropical Africa, it brings a lush and elegant appearance to living rooms, offices, and indoor corners. This low-maintenance plant thrives in bright indirect light and adapts well to normal indoor conditions. Its slow-growing nature makes it ideal for containers and decorative pots. The corn plant also helps improve indoor air quality while adding a calm tropical atmosphere. With proper care, it remains attractive and healthy for many years indoors. Desert rose or Adenium obisum. It instantly transforms indoor spaces with its artistic tree-like form and vibrant floral display. Often called the desert rose, this remarkable plant develops a thick sculptural trunk that stores water, giving it a rare bonsai-inspired appearance. Its colorful blooms rise beautifully above glossy foliage, creating a stunning contrast against modern interiors. Perfect for bright sunny corners, this low-maintenance plant enjoys warmth, dry conditions, and well-drained soil. The desert rose is admired not only for its unusual silhouette but also for its ability to bring a bold tropical desert charm into homes, patios, balconies, and stylish indoor plant collections. Weeping fig or Ficus benjamina. Bringing a peaceful tropical vibe indoors, it stands out with its elegant cascading branches and lush green foliage. This exotic tree-like houseplant develops a graceful canopy that resembles a miniature indoor tree, making it ideal for stylish living rooms, offices, and bright corners. Its slender woody stem and glossy leaves create a soft ornamental appearance that blends beautifully with modern interiors. Native to tropical regions, the weeping fig prefers bright filtered light, moderate watering, and a stable environment. Loved for its timeless beauty and natural elegance, this plant adds freshness, height, and sophisticated greenery to indoor plant collections. Jade plant or Crassula ovata. Known for its thick, glossy leaves and miniature tree-like structure, it is a timeless indoor plant admired for both beauty and symbolism. This exotic succulent develops sturdy woody stems that gradually form a charming bonsai-style appearance indoors. Its fleshy emerald green foliage stores water, making it highly drought-tolerant and easy to maintain. Perfect for desks, sunny windows, balconies, and modern interiors, the jade plant thrives in bright light and minimal watering conditions. With its compact ornamental form and long lifespan, this elegant succulent adds a refreshing natural touch while enhancing indoor spaces with calm, vibrant greenery. Polyscia scutellaria, commonly known as shield aralia, is a stunning, tropical foliage plant admired for its glossy rounded leaves and elegant tree-like growth. Its layered green foliage grows beautifully along upright woody stems, creating a rich ornamental appearance perfect for stylish indoor spaces. This exotic plant adds height, texture, and a refreshing tropical atmosphere to living rooms, offices, balconies, and bright corners. Native to warm tropical regions, shield aralia thrives in humidity, indirect sunlight, and well-drained soil conditions. Its sculptural form and dense foliage make it an eye-catching indoor statement plant, ideal for enhancing modern interiors with lush greenery and sophisticated tropical charm. Dipsas lutescens, commonly known as the areca palm, is a graceful tropical indoor plant admired for its feathery arching fronds and elegant palm-like form. Its slender golden stems and lush green foliage create a soft, refreshing atmosphere that instantly enhances modern interiors. Often used as a natural decor centerpiece, this exotic tree-like plant looks stunning in living rooms, balconies, hotel-style spaces, and office corners. Native to Madagascar, the areca palm thrives in bright indirect sunlight, moderate watering, and humid conditions. Its vibrant tropical appearance and airy foliage make it one of the most loved indoor palms for creating a calm, luxurious green environment indoors.